This is palm kernel nuts. It is gotten from the palm tree or the fruit of the palm tree, which is commonly called palm kernel. When the palm kernel has been boiled and completely processed by breaking the palm kernel, then you get the palm kernel nuts. Welcome to AB's Kitchen, and I'm going to show you how to make black palm kernel oil. This is my palm kernel nuts. I'm going to wash it to remove dust and any palm kernel shafts. After washing the palm kernel nuts, I'm going to strain out the water and transfer the palm kernel nuts into a pot. You may choose to sun dry it after washing, but I'm not going to do that. The palm kernel oil can be used for the skin. It can be used to treat sagging skin, treat rashes, wounds, and burns. It also soothes itching from mosquito bites. I transfer the palm kernel nuts into the pot and then to the heat so that the heat can help to bring out the palm kernel oil. I will allow the palm kernel to get hot for about 5 minutes before I start stirring the palm kernel. Make sure you are stirring at intervals to prevent the palm kernel from burning. After stirring the palm kernel, I will cover up the pot and allow the heat from the pot to bring out the oil from the palm kernel nuts. If the pot is not covered, the palm kernel oil will release its oil at a very slow pace, but when the pot is covered, it will take a shorter time for the palm kernel to release its oil. The black palm kernel oil can also be used to strengthen the hair and darken grey hair. It is also used to treat dandruff. Make sure this is done outside with a pot that is partially condemned. You can see that the palm kernel nut has started releasing its oil, but after about 10 minutes, you see the large amount of palm kernel oil that the palm kernel nut has released. As you can see in the video, look at that palm kernel oil, very rich. After the palm kernel oil has come out, I'm going to strain out the palm kernel oil. You can use an iron sieve. Don't use a plastic sieve. If not, the hot oil will burn the plastic sieve. Use an iron sieve. So this is the first set of palm kernel oil that I have brought out. I'm going to transfer the palm kernel nut back to the heat so that it can continue to bring out more palm kernel oil. You will know that the palm kernel nut has completely extracted all the oil when you can easily crack the palm kernel nuts. Now this is the amount of palm kernel oil I was able to extract from the palm kernel nuts. Very rich and very good. Here in Africa, the black palm kernel oil is used for the treatment of convulsion, high fever, cold and cough, ulcer for both babies and adults by applying it on their bodies. The black palm kernel oil can also be used to make soaps and creams. Though the palm kernel oil is dark or brownish in color, it does not leave any stains on the hands. This oil is very rich as it contains vitamin A and vitamin E. Now I will transfer this palm kernel oil into my own bottle from where I will be using it. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel if you have gained any value from this video. Thank you. This is actually my first time of making palm kernel oil by myself. I have been using it on my child, but I have never sat down to make it by myself. The ones I have been buying outside seem to have been adulterated because the scent of the palm kernel oil is never as strong as the one that I have just made. The palm kernel oil has a soothing kind of strong scent, and the one that I bought from the store never had that kind of strong soothing scent. So goodbye to buying palm kernel oil from the store. And whenever you have palm kernel or palm kernel nuts in your home, do not throw them away. Make sure you make use of them in this form by making black palm kernel oil. It is going to be very beneficial for you and your family. So thank you for watching this video, and until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye.